So my roof is leaking, and you always see people put buckets on their leaking roofs, but then you have to hear that tick, 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 tick noise constantly. So here, what I did was I put a piece of tape, plain piece of tape, going straight into a Bone Spring bottle. And I also made this channel along the wall so it catches anything that comes along. But yeah, so put a piece of tape under a leak. It'll keep it from moving around too much, and you won't have to hear the dripping. I've never seen it done before, so thought I'd share.